Now look at the next question here. The question asks to find the angle X, Y, and W. Let's do that. I'll start by X. The angle here, 76, is equal to this angle there. So this one down here is 76, that one is 76 also. If you want to know why, because it's corresponding angles. And now, if that angle up there is 76, that means X is 76. So we got X. Now, how do we find Y? Look at this nice triangle here. Let's call it ABC. If you look at the triangle ABC, we can find this angle here, angle B, by looking at this line. This is a straight line. So the angle B is 180 minus 158. This will give you 22. That means this angle here is 22. Now, triangle ABC, the three angles should add up to 180. So if I add 76 and 22, 76 plus 22 is 98. And then if I do 180 minus 98, it gives me Y. So 180 minus 100 is 80. So 180 minus 92 is 180 minus 100 is 80. So 180 minus 98 is 82. So we got Y. So it's 82, and it's non-calculator. Now finally, we need to find W here. To find W, let's find this angle here. If this Y, the angle Y is 82, so this angle is 82. And now W is an exterior angle for this triangle here, right? The exterior angle is equal to the sum of the two far angles here. So W is equal to 82 plus 76. And that gives you 158. So we got the three angles. X is 76, Y is 82, and W is 158. Now let's look at the next question.